Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to extend Wi-Fi range in home so you can get strong internet signal in every room without upgrading your internet plan. First, move your router to a central and open location in your home. Wi-Fi signals spread in all directions, so proper placement instantly improves coverage. Next, raise the router off the floor and place it on a shelf or table. Higher positioning allows signals to travel farther and reduces obstacles blocking the connection. Now adjust router antennas if available. Keep one antenna vertical and another slightly horizontal to improve signal distribution across different areas. After that, reduce signal interference. Keep the router away from microwaves, TVS, cordless phones, and thick walls that weaken Wi-Fi signals. If some areas still have weak signal, install a Wi-Fi extender or repeater between the router and the weak signal zone. This helps rebroadcast the signal farther. Another useful method is using an old router as an access point. Connect it using an Ethernet cable to expand coverage in another room. Next, update your router firmware through the router settings page to improve performance and stability. Also change your Wi-Fi channel in router settings to avoid interference from nearby networks. If possible, switch to 5 GHz Wi-Fi for speed in nearby rooms and 2.4 GHz for longer range coverage. Finally, restart your router occasionally to maintain stable performance. And that's it. Your Wi-Fi range should now cover more areas of your home with stronger and more stable signal. If this tutorial helped you, like the video and subscribe for more internet and PC tips. Thanks for watching.